Yo, King Earner Live and direct. Tonight we're cooking the honorable fried spaghetti. Don't tell me, oh, everybody cooks fried spaghetti. It's not honored the correct way. I'm going to honor it in the honorable fashion. First, what I'm going to do is before I put this here, I'm going to put the avocado oil all over it. See that? Turn it up a little bit because this don't take that long, man. We already got our onions and, we're carrying it correctly, man. It's very important, very important that whoever is cooking at home wants to cook. I don't care if it's the woman or the man. Whoever chooses to cook, you have to want to cook. I don't need nobody hitting me and say, Erna, the food ain't come out too honorable because we followed your steps. I'm telling you that I'm a restaurant in my home. You see, we're going to eat like it's a restaurant. We can afford that. But you're going to the restaurant, spending $400 or $500. You got the filet mignon and all these other different fancy names when a pound of that only costs like $40-something. You paying $100 for that? I want to give y'all understanding. Stop showing up with this honor. Show up with your honor intact. Maybe cooking may get it before honorable. I need understanding. And make sure you have that table in that home. Single mothers, brothers who taking care of their children on their own. You got to have a certain understanding, man. That table is the foundation of the home. It's where a lot of things get understood, man. A lot of things get understood, and that unity is embraced there. The leader of the home. Some of you brothers aren't leaders. The sisters are leading. Some of you sisters aren't leading. And you may sit around that table and ask every child or every family member, how was your day today? You don't know how much is a relief that is to somebody. And a lot of individuals don't have that in their home. The mothers that's working all them hours and trying to make ends meet. Them fathers who never get a chance to really be home because they're out moving around and making sure that they collect every legal earn, like my brother Mustafa, to take care of their family. But this is your time with the family. And we need for y'all to tap all the way into that part of it because without that time, there is no unification. Without the unification, guess what? We don't have no understanding. Communication is the key to success in life. Communication can get you a lot of good things. But if you're doing all positivity, you're going to get understanding. And guess what? It's time for us to get understanding in a different way. Or at the end of the day, none of that has to do with us making these children rise up above for the occasion. But this cooking, this therapy that I'm getting, I'm able to deliver it to everybody else because there's a youngin' somewhere who got some oodles and noodles in the crib and he's afraid to microwave them joints. And he got to feed everybody because somehow, some way, ends ain't meeting correctly. You have to learn how to survive. Surviving is cooking for yourself, not ordering out. This is why everybody have an attitude. Let me get back to this so I can give you understanding. You notice that nothing's sticking, but nothing is sticking because I'm carrying the honor in such an honorable fashion that I already had my avocado oil already on there. Already had my honorable beef broth. Already had my honorable rice vinegar. Nothing is fake here. Everything is honored correctly. What we're going to do is we're going to carry the honor correctly. We're going to pour the honorable all over me in a dishonorable way. Get some of the meat out of the way and pour the onions in so that don't be afraid of the honorable garlic powder. It's your friend, right? Then we're going to put the honorable cayenne. Matter of fact, I'm going to go onion first before I go cayenne because we got to keep it so simple. Then we're going to go cayenne. We got to have a little hotness to this. It's a fried spaghetti. That's how you know the honorable cook. 80-20% always. Have heart. If you don't have heart, so how I'm carrying this, I'm going to make my noodles, but I'm not going to make them ordinary like you guys make them at home with a pot full of water. I'm going to turn the flame down some, right? How much myself here? Don't be scared of Creole season over it. Magnifique. This is how you know you have real fried spaghetti. I'm not talking about boiled spaghetti and things of this nature where individuals sit around and they call something fried. This is how you know it's fried. You see that? That didn't come out of an oven. That came out of an honorable Pilsen.